Up next, we have Mark Oliveros and Mitzi
Josh.
Mitzi Josh, hello.
Hi!
You look so beautiful.
Hello po, mabuhay.
Hi.
Teka lang, pareho kami may pakapa.
Oo nga eh. Kailangan dahan-dahan yung pasok. Ayan.
Sorry.
May pa-chu-chu train.
Ay, wait.
Oh,
Hindi ko pala mabend din, sorry.
MRT
Gusto ko tumulong.
diba? Ang daming trains. MRT na po kami.
Yes.
So please, pakisabi naman, sino yung designer ng napakaganda yung
Yes.
suot?
Ladies first.
Okay. For my beautiful gown, I would like to thank Miss Jazel C, and of course, special mention sa aking stylist, si Rush and Ray. Yes.
Taray.
How about you?
Ako po, I'm wearing Beps Torres, styled by Dave Ocampo and makeup by James De Los Santos.
I love the makeup.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Thank you so
Slay.
much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
And
thank
hope to see you
you.
inside.
Yes.
Yeah, see you.
Mingle later.
Yes, thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you so
Salamat.
much.